We're out here today testing the DJI Neo. So we want to know if the specs of this thing really live up to the real world usage for a travel vlogger like Tash and Brad, where we use a nice little drone in our backpack. So I just store it in this backpack here, and I bought this extra box, and see if we can just chuck it up and it gets nice drone footage for us without taking up too much space like these other professional drones. So this drone is 135 grams and it's about what? I think the wind speed is probably 12 kilometers an hour. I think gusts up to 8 miles an hour. So let's see if it can handle it. Let's see how long the batteries last, and let's test it so you guys know whether to buy it or not. If you're a small-time travel vlogger and you don't want to be spending thousands of pounds, because you can pick this baby up for £200, including the controller, not including this box. This box is from Amazon, sold separately. Then I just stuck stickers on. All right, should we test it? Should we fly it? Let's go fly it. So to test this thing, we have made ourselves to the eroding cliffs of England. We're down near the New Forest, just below the New Forest, and you have cliffs that are falling off due to erosion and waves hitting it, and that's it. England could be gone in the next 50 years. But with this trusty drone, we should be able to capture the memories of what the cliffs used to look like, and then we can come back next year and maybe compare it. What we're going to do is we're going to try and get down to the beach so we're out of the way of people, because I think people are slightly funny about flying a drone around here. I had a look on the app and there is no flight restrictions, so we should be okay, but you know what people are like. Alright, we've made ourselves down to the beach where we're going to test fly this drone. We're just going to go over in the corner over there, and then we'll get up in the air. Wouldn't it be funny if it just flies off? Because I'll tell you a little story. In Bath, we went to Bath and I put this drone in the air, and it almost like someone took over my drone and it just started flying off in a random direction. So I'm not sure what that's about. Anyway, this is an independent review, this one. We are not sponsored by anyone, obviously. Our channel is too small, so this is all straight from the heart. Woo. Like I said, it's only a small light drone, and the convenience is that you can carry it on nice long distance walks without having to carry a massive suitcase around with you. And it's inexpensive as well, which might be a bonus after I crash it into the sea. We'll see. So to set up, normally what I do is I stick the lunchbox on the side, get out the controllers, get out the batteries. So it's got 4 blades, as you can see, nice and small, and they come with these guards as well. I believe you can take these guards off. However, I'm still a beginner and I don't want to take them off. They also come with a camera cover that before you activate and before you fly, you just pop that off like so. Just squeeze it together and pop it off, and then it exposes your camera. So this camera is capable of shooting in 4K footage. From what I've seen, it's decent quality, it's decent enough. It's not like really expensive drones like your other drones, however it's decent quality. The Fly More pack comes with 3 batteries, so these are the batteries. They're capable of flying for about 15 minutes in conditions with no wind. Obviously, if you're in a condition where there's loads of wind, it'll probably only last for about 10 minutes, and they take about an hour to charge, I believe. So this is the DJI RC N3 controller. So this is a controller where you attach your phone to. So your phone just goes in this holder right here. You've got the analog sticks on the bottom that's nicely tucked in so they can fit back in the box. So take the analog stick out, and then stick them straight in. So number one tip, if you do get this controller, don't just put these in your pocket. Either stick them straight in, like where they're meant to be, or put them back in the holder, because you will lose this, especially if you're in long grass or somewhere like this. Look, you could easily lose that. A rock goes on top. You could be searching all day, innit? To use these, you have to get the DJI Neo app. So it's called DJI Fly. So you click that. So connecting it is a little bit annoying. It takes a little while. You have to update everything. However, once it's connected, you just follow the steps through. Once it's connected and it's registered, it's nice and easy. Oh, one sec, just gotta get that out. So it comes with two different adapters, one USB-C and one for iPhone. So I can take this one out here. This is an iPhone connector, and just unravel it and then keep that side in. Get your phone. Stick it in there and then connect it to the back like that. Okay, so that is connected now. Then to turn it on, nice and simple, press. There you go, and that means you're ready to fly. I'm connected to the aircraft. It says go fly. Press go fly. And then as you can see the camera here. So this is the screen and this is what you can see. Take off. And there we have it. It takes off to 1.2 meters. I'm gonna film. And as you can see the quality I'm recording now. So it has like internal storage. I'll stick it up on the screen how much internal storage it has. So you can tilt the camera down but 90 degrees and up as well. So as you can see, you see us there. I'm gonna come forward. I'm gonna bring it down slightly so that I'm gonna do a drive-by. So the cool thing with these drones, it has 3 different modes: cinematic, neutral and sport mode. So if I stick it into cinematic, it's just gonna go nice and slow so I can get them really good shots of us going up, like, see? I'll show you on the screen anyway, I'll show you on the screen. Let's have a look at the cliffs now. So it's the kind of drone that you just whip out your bag. Let's stick it in normal mode. You just whip it out your bag and you start flying. It's nice footage. And I like to keep my eye on it, but it just offers you a different like view of the world, isn't it? And I'm gonna bring it in front of us now. Stick it in cinematic mode, fly around us. And as you can see, for a little content creator like us, this is a view that you'll never ever get, because how are you ever going to get that, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. So to land it, all you're going to do is stick out your hand. That's it. There you go, and it lands nicely on your hand. So like I said, this review is going to be one of the most honest views that you can get of the DJI Neo, because we're not going to pretend to be drone experts, because we're not drone experts. This is actually the first drone that we've ever got, and I assume that's going to be the case for a lot of you guys as well that are looking at purchasing a cheap drone. But that short flight there, that put the drone down to 64% battery life. 64% battery life. And that was roughly about a 5-minute flight. When the drone gets 20%, it won't let you fly anymore. It will take you back home, so it sets a home point. But it's pretty good, isn't it? What do you think of it?
I think that I love this. It's so lightweight, so you're not but then that kind of scared me at first. Like when Brad got it out, I was like, oh, it's such like a little thing, and you watch it fly away, and you're like, hope it comes back. You know, but it's so good. It's so light. It's so easy. It doesn't, like you said, it doesn't feel like something super bulky and annoying to carry around with you. We can so easily take this on any trip we go on, and then just bosh, we can get some cool drone footage if we fancy, and then if we don't fancy it, it's fine. It's not like we lugged around a heavy thing for no reason.
So this DJI Neo, this little mini beast, does have features like follow and drone assist, and it's got a load of different features. I'll stick them up on the screen. Me and Tash, we haven't used them. I prefer flying manually with the controller because I feel like I've got a lot more control, and I just want to get better at the controller as well. But like I said, if you are on a push bike and stuff like that, I believe it can go up to 12 miles per hour following you. So if we're walking along right now, like we are, yeah, it can just follow us along and assist us in our vlogging. Because sometimes you want to look over stuff and just get shots that you can't normally get with a normal vlog camera, innit? Mm-hmm. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Ciao.